Howdy y'all! Today I'm here to share some time-tested gardening hacks. Whether you're working with a tiny balcony, a modest backyard, or just a sunny windowsill, these tips will help you maximize your space and yield. Let's dive into these 25 ingenious hacks that blend tradition with innovation, perfect for any small space gardener. In a world where space is limited, vertical gardening offers a smart and beautiful solution. Instead of spreading plants across the ground, you simply grow them upward toward the sun. With the help of trellises, wall-mounted shelves, or hanging planters, even a small balcony can become a vibrant living garden. You can grow aromatic herbs, bright flowers, or even fresh vegetables right on your wall. This method not only saves precious ground space, but also brings a refreshing green touch to otherwise dull areas. It transforms bare surfaces into thriving, leafy displays. Moreover, vertical gardening is both practical and visually appealing. It improves air quality, reduces clutter, and makes your surroundings feel alive. Whether you live in an apartment or a compact house, this approach helps you garden efficiently and stylishly. So grab your tools, pick your plants, and start building your vertical oasis today. It's easy, rewarding, and perfect for modern living. Right beside your kitchen sink or above the counter, a windowsill can become the perfect spot for something extraordinary. A vibrant herb garden with just a few small pots, a little sunlight, and minimal effort. You can grow basil, parsley, chives, or even mint. These aromatic herbs don't just look lovely, they're practical too. Each morning the sun filters through the glass, gently warming the leaves. And with only a splash of water and occasional trimming, your mini garden stays lush and fragrant. Whenever you're cooking, simply reach over and pluck a few fresh leaves. No need to run to the store or settle for dried alternatives. Moreover, this small green oasis adds both beauty and life to your kitchen. The mix of fresh scents and vivid green tones creates a calming, natural atmosphere. Whether you're seasoning pasta, garnishing soup, or brewing herbal tea, these herbs are always within reach, ready to elevate your dishes. So start with a windowsill, a few pots, and a handful of seeds. With sunlight pouring in and your touch of care, you'll have a garden that grows not only flavor but joy right at your fingertips. Hanging planters are a clever way to utilize overhead space, especially in small gardens or apartments. With sturdy brackets or ceiling hooks, you can suspend baskets filled with trailing plants such as juicy cherry tomatoes or sweet strawberries. These vibrant additions not only save floor space but also create a lush, cascading look. However, remember to place them where they can soak up plenty of sunlight. And don't forget, regular watering is essential to keep them thriving, even on the hottest days. Stackable planters with their tiered design offer a smart and stylish gardening solution for anyone with limited space. Whether on a balcony, patio, or small porch, these vertical systems allow you to grow a variety of herbs, vibrant flowers, or compact vegetables, all in one organized structure. By stacking each level securely on top of the other, you maximize every inch of your area while keeping your plants accessible and well arranged. Plus, they're easy to move, water, and maintain, making them perfect for beginners or busy urban gardeners. Instead of throwing them away, why not turn old household items into charming planters? With just a few simple steps, you can transform mugs, tin cans, or wooden crates into creative homes for your plants. First, make sure to drill small holes at the bottom for proper drainage. Then fill each container with soil, gently place your favorite plant inside, and water it thoroughly. Not only is this method eco-friendly and affordable, but it also adds a personal rustic touch to your indoor or outdoor garden. Transforming an old ladder into a vertical plant display is a clever and charming idea. With each wooden rung holding a potted plant, you create a layered, eye-catching garden feature. Because it stands upright, it saves space while bringing life upward, making it perfect for small patios or balconies. The rustic wood adds character, while the greenery softens the structure. Simply place the ladder near a wall or fence for stability, then arrange herbs, flowers, or succulents on each level. This simple yet stylish stand turns any unused corner into a vibrant vertical garden. Transform your old hanging shoe organizers into vibrant pocket gardens. Simply fill each pocket with rich soil, then plant herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables. Because they hang vertically, they save ground space while adding beauty to walls or fences. With just a bit of sunlight, water, and care, these compact planters thrive. Not only are they practical and eco-friendly, but they also bring color and life to any corner. So grab that unused organizer and turn it into a lush green display of growth and creativity. Transform your home's exterior with vibrant window boxes. By installing them just beneath your windows, you create a charming space for herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables. These compact containers not only brighten your view, but also maximize unused space. With the right soil, sunlight, and care, your plants will thrive beautifully. Moreover, window boxes add a touch of color, character, and nature to your facade, blending form with function. So whether you're in a small apartment or a cozy house, let your garden grow outward and make every window a living frame. Hydroponic systems are an innovative way to grow healthy plants without using soil. Instead, they rely on water filled with essential nutrients. Because of this, roots absorb exactly what they need, leading to faster growth and higher yields. These systems are perfect for indoor spaces, whether it's a small kitchen corner or a full greenhouse. With clean setups and fewer pests, hydroponics offers a sustainable and efficient alternative to traditional gardening, making it ideal for both beginners and experts. Aquaponics is a smart, sustainable method that blends fish farming with plant cultivation. In this system, fish produce waste, which becomes natural fertilizer for the plants. Meanwhile, the plants absorb these nutrients and purify the water, which then cycles back to the fish. As a result, both thrive in a balanced, efficient loop. With no need for soil and minimal water usage, this eco-friendly setup works perfectly indoors. Whether for home gardens or urban farming, aquaponics offers a clean, compact, and rewarding way to grow fresh food year-round.